Up until this point, we have been working on making our stories sound good by revising. Starting today, we need to start making our own stories look good by editing them. Yesterday, we spent some time learning what editing is. Today, we're going to take a look at our writing and we're going to start editing those using this editing checklist. So you want to read your entire piece to make sure that words are not missing. You want to check all the spelling in your piece. When I am not sure how to spell a word, I have used my resources. I made sure that every sentence starts with a capitalized letter and that all proper nouns like names or places start with a capital letter as well. You also want to make sure that every sentence is properly punctuated. Did you use a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point? And you also want to make sure that dialogue is properly punctuated. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up our stories in our Google Drive, and you're going to just start by reading over it, and then we're going to use our checklist and we're going to make your writing look better.